से. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another big video. So it's going to be a Pujo makeup video. Durga Puja is coming, so like every year I do this makeup look. This is the look I have created today. It's going to be a night glam look you can create, and even you can wear it at a day. It's like a very versatile look. So without any further ado, let's start this video. So I have prepped my skin, just applied moisturizer and sunscreen. If you are going to do this makeup at night, you can skip the sunscreen part, but don't forget to apply the moisturizer. Now the next step is a primer. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me primer. It's the matte plus poreless normal to oily primer. It also has SPF, not that effective, but still it has SPF. I really have pores in this area, so I'm just going to apply on the areas where I have pores. The next step is I'm going to apply this radiance filter. It's a glowy tint like a highlighter from inside. You can see the shades in the screen. So it's like a highlighter base. I'm going to use the TT Cushion Foundation. It's the Max Fit Red Cushion Foundation. It's in the shade 24N Latte, which is not exactly my shade. It's one shade lighter. So I'm going to mix it with the Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Foundation. And it's a little bit dark for my skin tone, so I'm going to mix these two together. So this is how it looks. I actually blended it with this beauty blender. This is from Mars, I guess, or Insight, I don't remember correctly. I just don't like a very full coverage foundation, and I just like a medium coverage foundation finish. That's like my personal preference. Now I'm going to do contour. I'm going to use this NY base stick contour. I have been using this for a while now. You can use any contour stick you like. So let's blend this contour. Now I'm going to use a concealer and a blush together. So this is the concealer I'm going to use. It's from Insight HD Conceal, and for blush I'm going to use a cheek tint. This is from Swiss Beauty. It's the shade 06. As a child, I remember going out in Durga Puja with my parents. Now I go out with my friends and sometimes with my family as well, but as a child it was always with the family, eating the street style egg rolls and chow means. It's like a very fond memory of Durga Puja. Now as well we eat that street side food. As a child it was like a compulsory thing. What's your Durga Puja memory? Do you celebrate them? What do you guys celebrate in Durga Puja? I know everyone does not celebrate Durga Puja. Some few people celebrate it as a Navratri. Do I look like a joker now? I think I do, but I need to blend the concealer and the blush. But I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer here as well. First I'm going to blend the blush and then the concealer. I'm going to set it with the Fit Me Loose powder from Maybelline, light medium 20, just a little bit of setting. My base is almost done, the highlighter is left, but first I'm going to do my eyes and my lips. So for my eyebrows I'm going to do nothing, just I'm using this Blue Heaven Sculpt and Set Brow Gel. Just using it to set my eyebrows a little. I'm going to apply a little bit of lip balm. My lips are getting dry. For my eyelids I'm going to use a pencil eyeshadow. It's from K Beauty. It's their metallic eyeshadow. Using this for the smoky eye effect. A little bit on the underline as well. How it looks. Now I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to blend them. So after blending, I'm going to use a kajal and use it close to my waterline, the lower waterline and the upper waterline. Now I'm going to use a mascara. It's the Mars mascara. But before that, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. This mascara gives me length but makes my lashes a lot clumpy, which I don't like. But except that fact, it's really good mascara, gives you that false lashes look. Now I'm going to do my lips, and for lips I'm going to use one lipstick. I'm going to use this lipstick called Nia from this is from an Instagram store. It's the Showstopper matte liquid lipstick and it's in the shade Belgravia. It's a very beautiful nude shade. The lipstick, the shade, everything is perfect. Now is the time for the last step, which is the highlighter, and I'm going to use this Faces Canada Ultimate Highlighter. I used a little bit of highlighter on my cupid's bow, on my brow bone, on the tip of my nose, and this is the final look. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna recreate this on a Ashtami or Navami night. It's such a minimal and yet very glamorous look. And thank you for watching this video. Give a like to this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.